In front of me is an Magic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by launching clock. Now click alarm at the bottom left corner, but before creating a new one, tap on those three dots at the top right one. Select settings and adjust all of those options for all of your alarms you will create from now on. So they won't be applied for the old ones, but for all of your new created ones. First, upcoming alarm notification. Get notification before your alarm will start ringing, 15, 30 or 60 minutes before, or disable this feature fully by hitting stop. Default ringtone. This ringtone will be applied for all of your new alarms. You can tap on music on device to pick any song from your smartphone and hit apply next to it to get it, or apply any of those. If you want to, you can choose vibration at the top. Synchronize vibrations with ringtones. It only works with default ones by tapping on synchronized. Choose none to disable it, or pick one of those patterns, like SOS. Go back and use this switcher next to gradually increase volume to enable or disable this option. Then go back and finally create your new alarm thanks to this plus icon. Set up an hour at the top and hit repeat. Now, if you want to use it only once on specific date, click on this switcher, pick your date and hit OK. If you don't, you can also choose every day, or tap on every week and pick days of the week manually by clicking on them. Wherever you decided, go back and adjust all of those options. Now, you can tap on sound obviously and change it so it will be different only for this alarm. You can do that the same way we just did it before. You can hit label to name it. Choose ring duration to decide how many minutes it will ring if you want react. And snooze duration, which is my favorite because here you can decide how many minutes your snooze will take. Even choose a custom volume. Also, sorry, misclick. And number of snoozes. So how many times it will repeat. When you finished, go back and finally save your new alarm thanks to this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it on or switch it off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options from the pop-up. To edit your alarm, click on it, make your changes and tap on the same check mark. And to get rid of it, click on it, choose delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!